What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. It's where you find the hottest and the newest degen players in the crypto space. My name is Joven. I got something special for you guys in this one, but before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is very risky and very volatile, guys. Always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now I have my channel pulled up on screen as usual, Meme Coin Daily. 214 subscribers. We getting our way up there. Let's get to 300 subscribers. You never know in the future, guys. You might be in a project and you may want an influencer to check out your project. I'll be right here. The channel grows. I'm sitting at 5K subscribers. I check out your project. Instantly you get new members in the community of your project, guys. This is how life works, you know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you've been supporting. I appreciate you. And now we're gonna hop into that something special I was talking about. Somebody commented down below telling me I should check this project out. I do a bit of research and I'm like, yo, this project looks fire, fam. I may just hop into this one. Project we checking out today is LFG. Let's freaking go. the best ticker ever, LFG. Let's freaking go. Or Gamerse. Earlier in October, you would be up 17x, around 16 to 17x if you got in this project at the start of October. This is the best time to get in charts. You see how I think the project has been out since like let's see, yeah, from since last year 2020. No, actually, let me go back some more. I got more historical data. Yeah, the project has been out since earlier this year, from March 2022. You know what I'm saying? It retraced. It had a huge launch. You know what I'm saying? And it corrected. Then it went into its accumulation phase. It was just accumulating, and then big move to the upside. This is when you're supposed to be buying charts, right here, when it's just flat and nothing's going on for the project. But as long as the dev team is still there, the community is still there, the Twitter is still active, the project has partners and backers like venture capitalists, this is when you ape these projects, man. Right now in the bear market, these are the charts you're supposed to be buying, guys. These flat charts. Buy these because this is the type of upside gains you would get. 16x, fam. Think about that, y'all. Now this is the thing, guys. When you see a chart like this, it is overbought. You know what I'm saying? This huge run up, a 17x run up, it's gonna be a retrace. You know what I'm saying? That's just how crypto works. We're not in a bull market where it barely ever retraces and just keeps going up. We're not. So I really feel like there's gonna be a retrace. Now I could be wrong. It could keep going up. That's just how crypto is. It's unpredictable. But for something like this, I would wait for the retrace and then get into the project. You know what I'm saying? 1 million market cap though is still a great entry, because 1 million market cap means it goes to 10 million, that's a 10x. It goes to 50 million, that's a 50x. It goes to 100 million market cap, that's a 100x. And honestly, it's been around. This project has been around since March 2022, this year. And it after the huge correction and accumulation period, it ran 17x. So in a bull market, this project will more than likely still be here. It won't die. And in a bull market, that's when you could see that 100x gain, bro. That's when you could see it going to 100 million market cap, guys. So yeah, keep that in mind. And the next thing we're gonna hop into is the website, see what the project is about. Gamerse, social trade and play. NFT gaming and metaverse, social media marketplace. Now remember, guys, I don't know how long most of you guys have been in crypto for, but remember we had this huge run into metaverse projects. Sandbox, Gala, Axie Infinity, Meta Hero. A lot of metaverse projects ran like crazy. Decentraland, you know what I'm saying? The metaverse will make a comeback and metaverse projects will start running again. I know it. There's no doubt in my mind. So Gamerse is a gaming and metaverse social media marketplace. Gamerse is connecting NFT games and gamers in a community-driven social hub. Our Web3 gaming and metaverse social aggregator ecosystem is unifying the fragmented NFT gaming space. So their plan is to make a connected NFT gaming space, which is great. You know what I'm saying? This is how the metaverse is. there's multiple connections to multiple different metaverses. That's how it should be. And we have some NFTs here that look pretty cool. Adira and Astro. We are Gamerse. As we come down a bit, we got more details on the project. Stay social. Gamerse brings social media to NFT gaming. Post content like, comment, share, create groups, and chat with friends. You can even stream. The best part is it's all monetized. Hold on. For a content creator like myself, I may have to look into that. Share to earn. What is this? Normally hear about play to earn, where you play the game and you earn revenue, but share to earn. Now both creators and gamers get to monetize their engagement. Okay. Stake your LFG in your favorite game's official groups to receive APY based on your interactions. Everybody wins. Share to earn. I like the sound of that, guys. Aggregator marketplace. You can find any popular gaming NFTs right here on the Gamerse cross-chain marketplace. So they have a bunch of the gaming NFTs on their marketplace. That's a smart idea, you know what I'm saying? Specialize your marketplace, how we have OpenSea, Magic Eden. Gamerse's marketplace is mostly focused on gaming NFTs. Collect skins, weapons, land, and more. No more searching all over the web. Just check out the Discover page for new and upcoming drops. I'm liking what I'm reading so far, guys. NFT swipe swap. What is this? Tinder for NFTs? Oh, we gonna send our NFTs out on dates now? What is this? Swipe swap will recommend you NFTs based on your interest. Swipe left if you hate it. Swipe right if you love. Great ideas, fam. They got, oh man, this is what I love about crypto, guys. Coming up with innovative ideas, man. Making life super simple. And when it's time to trade, Gamerse makes the swap safe and secure. Find new friends. Of course, being a social media platform as well, you're gonna get into meeting a bunch of new people. LFG Gamerse is the first NFT gaming platform that helps players look for groups, build community, find new group to be a leader, or post your own. Okay, LFG lottery. Earn a chance to win prizes just for using the platform. Okay, we got a betting platform as well. One transaction equals one raffle ticket. Earn as many tickets as you want. End of the week, the pot of LFG and a rare NFTs airdrop to the winners. And the last tab we got is avatar merch. Okay, what is this? Got caught in the metaverse with nothing to wear. Visit the avatar marketplace to buy and trade meta wearables. You can even unlock more powerful avatars based on your activity on the platform. Soon you will be able to lend out land and NFTs become a virtual mogul. The Bill Gates, the Elon, the Jeff Bezos of NFTs, you know what I'm saying? We see in the sandbox Snoop Dogg buying land, people spending $500,000 to have land next to Snoop Dogg. This is the future, guys, but going around in the metaverse naked probably gets you arrested. Creators and boost community engagement. Payment solution. 50% discount on platform fees when LFG is used as base currency. Staking and rewards. We love staking and baking. High APY staking and liquidity pools. Community to the community. NFT promotion and ads. Promote your NFTs using LFG tokens. This is great for all the new NFT creators that are coming into the space. Token burn program. Like the sound of this, 50% of transaction fees paid in LFG will be burnt, increasing token scarcity over time. You know I love them burn tokenomics. You know I love the deflation on this channel, y'all. Anytime I see something deflationary, instantly I keep an eye on it, man. Governance token. So we got a DAO as well. LFG is the dedicated governance token for the Gamerse social DAO. Everything that I'm reading so far, guys, is some great stuff. I love all the innovative ideas that they have. And they have everything broken down in a super simple way with the nice little animation for you guys to go through it. Okay, so right here we could click and see the tokenomics. Gotta see the breakdown of the tokenomics, guys. Always pay attention to the tokenomics in projects. So right here we see LFG will create 1 billion total LFG based on the following capital raise structure. And they have the breakdown right here for you guys. So 1 billion total tokens. Okay, have the roadmap breakdown. Our mission to the moon. Okay, I see. So they're already filling out the roadmap. So what we got next? They got AR and VR partnerships. Anime drop. Oh, sign me up. Staking relaunch. Rampart marketing is it's imperative that projects do marketing, guys, because it makes no sense for a project to be great and no one knows about it. So you have to get the word out there. Further CEX listings, like the sign of that. DAO protocol, okay. Gamerpad, okay. IGO launch, nice. Okay, so they have apps coming soon. They're also featured in the press with news outlets like Bazinga, Market Watch. Nice to see, guys. And they have partners. Like I said, I'm familiar with Polychain Monsters. This is a great project. Meta Wars, I've heard of that before as well. Chainlink, big project in the space. Bitspawn, I'm familiar with Bitspawn as well. Bitspawn is great. Beanamon, familiar with Beanamon, guys. Great projects. Oh, BitBoy Crypto is a partner. Big YouTuber, big influencer, BitBoy Crypto. Matic, Polygon is a partner. Engine is a partner as well. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is some bullish stuff that I'm reading right now, guys. And they have venture capitalist backers as well too. Alright, let's go to the Twitter real quick, see if the project is still active. After that 17x, it definitely woke up some of the investors. Web3 gaming and metaverse social media aggregator, okay? October 20th, pinned tweet. 6 hours ago, Gamerse, our friends from Place War Game, will be joining us for a jam-packed session. 156k followers on Place War Game. Never heard of them, but they have 172 likes and 153 retweets on this one. Okay, so the Gamerse Telegram has 25,000 members. Like I said, guys, a project like this in the bull market, I would not be shocked if it goes to 50 million, 100 million market cap, which is a 50x to 100x from here. Guys, I really like what I see with this project, LFG Gamerse. Let me know your thoughts of the project if you hold Gamerse LFG in the comment section. Let me know what you think of it. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know what you think as well. Let's have a discussion in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out and I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.